we're gonna set a new record today, you guys. It's a little early to tell, but this box is so heavy, and historically, there are more items in this lifestyle box than any other subscription box out there. So I'm just predicting that we're gonna have the most items inside of this box that she's ever done before. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Balance Company's lifestyle box for women. This is the spring 2025 box that I'm going to open up today. So of course, if you guys are interested in purchasing this box, I will have a link down below, and then I also have a discount code for you guys. This subscription box ships in Canada, and then it also ships in the US, but there are two different links, so just make sure you click on the right link. And then like I said, I have the box for women here. She also makes up a separate subscription box that is tailored more for men. So you can choose online which one works for you, but the discount code will work on all of those boxes. So if you want to do the men's box or the women's box, my code will work on both. But today we're going to check out this women's box. And like I said, it is heavy. And I feel like every time I unbox this, I'm like, you guys, look you get 10 items in here. There's 11 items, 12. I think the record is 13. Not kidding, you guys. She sent 13 items in her subscription box. And this is why we shop small, right? Small business is always very generous. It is an explosion. There are some big products in there too. So the first item that we have inside of our spring box is this giant volumizing conditioner. Is there a shampoo in here too? Oh my gosh, I think there is. Yeah, volumizing shampoo. Okay, we have a full set. So this is from a company called Method, and this is a volumizing duo. It's 414 milliliters in each of these bottles, but it features rose water in here, quinoa protein, and peony, and it is the same on both of these. I do think it's kind of cool that one opens from here and the other one opens this way. You know what I mean? Like flip-flop a little bit. So this is what they look like here. You're gonna notice they're a little dusty, and that is only from the crinkle paper that was used in the box for shipping purposes. So they're completely fine. It's just, that's why you're gonna see some of that dusty print. But she did also seal these with tape, which I really appreciate. That way they didn't open in transit. But you guys, these are heavy. I mean, take it from me. I've been shipping out my own boxes lately, and shipping is ridiculous, especially because it went up again this year. And I'm thinking about this in terms of weight, like, holy bananas, you got a couple pounds here already. So just know that this box does have free shipping on it, but I know this was not free for her to ship. So that was very generous, I feel like, already. Now, the next item that we have in our box today is the 1000 Roses Perfecting Lip Sugar Scrub. This is a full-size product that we have here, and it features pomegranate seeds, sugar, and rose hip oil that will help to nourish dry, flaky lips. So these will feature sugar crystals, and all you have to do is rub them on your lips. It will get rid of dry skin, and it will help to make them smooth and flush afterwards. I love my sugar scrubs. Like I said, I use them almost every day. It does have a slight rose scent, but ironically, I smell more of the pomegranate than anything. The pomegranate smells really good, but it's got kind of that juicy, and you know how pomegranates are a little bit tart? It's kind of like that. It is a juicy, tart, sweet blend. Next up is a pillow spray inside of the box. This one, oh, it's supposed to help you sleep. So this is the Tranquility Pillow Spray. It's 2 ounces or 60 mil. So I believe this is full size. It mentions that it's sage, rose, and petitgrain. These are gentle, natural aromas that create a sense of harmony to help you get ready for a good night's sleep. Just mist this over your pillows or your linens. You could even use it as a room spray. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, and let the soothing scent envelop you. Okay. So this is what it looks like here out of the box. Again, she wrapped it in tape so that it wouldn't leak. Isn't that, I'm telling you guys. Okay, I just have to give a quick little shout out here about Evie, the owner of this company. She is a small business owner that has all these small business details of making sure things don't leak, that they're sealed, super generous with putting products in the boxes. But obviously she puts on a presentation as if she's this big, huge business, right? And that's what I'm always blown away by, is she does it so well. She is so good at this. So I just love these little things that she thinks about putting tape. I know it's just tape. Some people are going to be like, Sydney, you're talking about tape right now. But I see it as an extra step that takes time that a business owner thought of and said, I'm going to make sure, my customers are happy. And I just appreciate that. But anyways, this is our Tranquility spray. It is cruelty-free, 2 ounces or 60 mil, definitely enough to use. I want to smell it. Let me go ahead and open this up. We'll smell it real quick here. But we said sage, rosemary. Ironically, it kind of reminds me of a drink, but I can't place what drink it is. I do smell the sage, but I feel like there's like cucumber or lime in there too. It's got a really nice, it's a great scent, honestly. I love the way it smells, but man, I feel like I'm getting like a summer party drink in my head. We also have a hair care product inside of our box, so talk about being balanced with our whole lifestyle. This one is coming from Vor, and it is the Luxury Hair Oil, 2 ounces, full-size product. It is cruelty-free. This one is radiant and uplifting, and it's infused with natural oils from rosehip, sunflower, and other natural plants. This will help your hair to have deep hydration and unparalleled shine. So you can put this on straight over your hair and it will give you that kind of glow. Ooh, I like the bottle. You guys know I have a thing for glass bottles. This is super cute. So it is a pump up here at the top. And then this will be that oil. And you'll just put this on just a little bit. You typically just put it in your hands, rub your hands together, and then you can kind of work it through your hair. So it cuts down on frizz, makes it a little bit shinier, but it's also going to restore hydration and keep it so that you don't lose hydration throughout the day. We also have some supplements in here. So this is a bottle of apple cider vinegar supplements. There are 90 capsules inside of this, and the idea is to hydrate your skin and have smooth out those fine lines and wrinkles that you might have. So you want to take 3 capsules a day, so there's enough in here to last you exactly 30 days. And then mostly apple cider vinegar inside of this. Has no artificial colors or flavors, clinically proven ingredients as well. So this is your supplement facts on the back here, and then you can see that ingredient list down below. So I've not tried these myself, so I don't really know anything else about them, but I'm sure you could always look into it if you needed to. But the expiration date is 2027, so you do have time to use this product. Oh, there's another one from Method. Oh, it's a deodorant. So this is the same company that did the shampoo and the conditioner. She also has a full-size deodorant stick in here. So this deodorant stick, it has notes of coconut, rice milk, and shea butters. This is a 24-hour odor protection, and it is a nourishing deodorant that is safe for sensitive skin. There's no aluminum, that's what I was looking for. No aluminum, no baking soda in here, no parabens. And it also mentions that the bottle itself, this packaging, is made from 100% recycled plastic. So that's also very cool. So this is what your deodorant stick will look like. Good tube. I mean, this is a good size. And then let me smell this, maybe. There we go. It's like suction gripped on there. Oh, it's good. This smells exactly like coconut. So if you like a tropical scent that smells like coconut, you're gonna love this one. It's kind of a coconut vanilla blend. Just for the record, that was product number 7. This is our 8th product inside of the box. So this product is from Mineral Fusion, and it is an eye makeup remover. So we have 3.5 ounces, full-size product. This one will remove even water-resistant makeup. So if you have waterproof mascara or anything, this will take care of that. So here's what our bottle will look like. And this is a vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, and fragrance-free formula. It's also cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. All you need to do is add this to like a cotton pad, and then you can rub that on and remove your eye makeup. Product number 10 is a conversation deck. So this is a deck of cards that we have in here, and you can use this to start conversations. So if you've got a get together or a group, you can take out a card at random, and it will ask different questions like what are your values, your needs, your desires, What is your deal breaker? What would you do if someone stole your place in line? There's 52 cards that prompt reflection and conversation about each other's boundaries, needs, consent, and relationships. So there's no right or wrong answers, only your answers. I'm pretty sure the record is 13 items in this box. We are up to number 11, so we might be breaking it today, you guys. So our next item that we have is from Acure, and this is their Brightening Facial Scrub. This is an exfoliant, so you're going to want to cleanse first and then use this product. It will help to break down any texture, dry skin that you might have. And then it's also got vitamin C that will help to brighten your skin up afterwards. So this is a great product to use. I've used it before. It's safe for sensitive skin as well. Cruelty-free on this product also. The 1 ounce or 30 ml on this product. I can't remember if this is full size. It might be, but it might not be also. I really can't remember on it. Oh look, there's Evie. So this is the owner that I keep talking about and obsessing over. I don't mean it in a creepy way. I just really like her boxes. But that's the owner of who curates this entire box. Now product number 12, I think it's our last item, you guys. So the record still stands that 13 is her highest, but 12 items? So this says the perfect picnic is a feast for the senses and a pause for the soul. Do we have a picnic blanket maybe? So this is what it looks like. Love these adorable daisies on here. Is that not cute? There's a handle here. So you've got some sort of like a pouch. I'm guessing this is going to unfold into like a picnic blanket maybe? So we open it up, there's Velcro. Yeah, it's big. Yes! It's like a whole, what do you want to call it? Like a tablecloth cover that you could even put over like a really big table, you know, at the park. Because sometimes those tables aren't super clean because, you know, birds are on it and the animals and everything, and they just don't clean up after themselves. But this is a huge daisy printed cover. Look at this. You can't even see me, you guys, but it's huge. And then on the reverse side, it's a vinyl, so it's super slick. You could put this on the ground too if you want to do a traditional picnic and be on the ground. But I also like that there are very thin holes in this that allow it to breathe as well with the air. I mean, it's made really well. I love the idea of this. And I mean, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get it folded back up the way it was, but you saw it does condense down. Thank goodness I showed you guys that before I opened it, because it went from this to this giant cover. So that is everything inside of the Balance Company's lifestyle box for spring. Comment down below, you guys, and let me know, what did you think of this box today? And keep in mind, 12 items in here, you guys. You can get free shipping on the box. Plus, if this is your first order, you can use my code and save some money as well. So you get a steal. I mean, she outdoes FabFitFun like twice, you guys. You get double the product, and she's cheaper than FabFitFun too. Now, obviously, they do have a few different mission values. With the Balance Company, everything is centered around having a more balanced life, having clean, sustainable products. She wants you to use your products as well. So I do feel like the boxes differ in that aspect, but just, I feel like it's super generous for what you're paying for. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!